Today I'm going to be showing you another creamy flavor that I think you're going to really enjoy, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN. I follow a plant-based diet with a focus on protein, and I like to share quick and easy recipes with you. And today is an example of that. I got a Creami at Christmas and I made a chocolate flavor a few weeks ago, and today I'm going to be making a different flavor for you. So let's get started. It's going to be a quick video, but before we dive in, I just want to remind you that the full recipe will be in the description box, and there's resources down below that I offer. I have an online course, I have a cookbook, and I've got my favorite products down there with links so you can check them out. All right, let's jump into the recipe. Now this recipe is super easy. It's only 4 ingredients. So we've got some soy milk, I've got some sugar-free vanilla pudding, and I've got some protein powder. This is vanilla. This is my Earth Chimp. And if you look in the description box, you'll see a discount code for this. And then of course we're gonna add some sprinkles to make it birthday cake. And then of course I have my little container here that I'm gonna put in the freezer overnight. So I'm just gonna add these 3 ingredients into my bullet here. If you wanted to, you could just mix it up in here with a frother, but I like it better this way. I feel like it gives it a smoother consistency. And I'm not adding any other sweetener because there is erythritol in the sugar-free pudding, which I'm totally okay with erythritol. And then there's some monk fruit in the protein powder. So it's gonna be sweet on its own. If you think you need a little sweeter, then you could add whatever sweetener you want to make it a little bit more sweeter. Okay, I'm gonna go blend this up and then we'll pour it into our container. I do want to mention that you want to get soy milk that is just 2 ingredients. This only has soybeans and water. You don't need all the fillers and all that other stuff. So try to look for a soy milk that just has 2 ingredients. Then it goes right into our container here. Pop the lid on, and then you want to store it upright in your freezer as level as possible. Now I made one yesterday, so it's been in the freezer, so I'm going to show you what that all looks like. All right, so this is the one that I had in the freezer. So it's just going to go into our little container here. And you want to make sure that you take your ice cream out like 15 minutes before you want to use it. That way it's not so rock hard. All right, then you just want to click it into place. And we're going to do light ice cream for the first round. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna respin it because I like it softer than that. So back in again. And this time I'm gonna hit respin. So this is what it looks like after respinning it, and that's a lot better. Now I'm going to add in the sprinkles, and we'll put it back on, and we're going to use the mix in button, and then we'll be ready to taste. And here it is. Look at that. All right, I'm ready to give it a taste. All right, here it is, finished product. We get about 2 servings, maybe 2.5 on some days. This is just a healthy alternative to regular ice cream. I will leave the calories and the protein grams down below in the description box, and this is going to really satisfy your sweet tooth. I can't wait any longer. Totally and utterly fantastic. I can't even believe it. It's so rich, it's so creamy. To me it tastes like full fat ice cream, or pretty darn close. So if you're trying to get a little bit more protein in your life and still stay on the healthy side, this is a great alternative for you. I hope you give it a try. If you don't have a Creami, what are you doing? You need to get one. No, I'm just kidding. If you don't have a Creami, you may want to consider getting one. They're really handy. You can make milkshakes, you can make bowls. So it's not just ice cream. You can do sorbet. A lot of different things you can do with it. All right, I'm gonna go finish this. If you like this video, if you learned something, then share it with your friends and give it a like. And if you've made it this far, then comment below with birthday cake. And that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. Again, the recipe will be down in the description box. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.